I love working from home. I can take my time. I can sit and have my morning coffee. I can stalk people on Instagram for an hour. Oh, I have a message.
Hi, Jayne. It's Steve. I have an appointment at 9 a.m. now, so our Zoom meeting is bumped up to 7 a.m. Make sure to look your best because the owner of the company will be on the call. See you later.
I gotta put some makeup on and fast. Where is my favorite concealer brush? So many brushes and I can never find the one that I want. What about foundation? Where is that one that I absolutely love, that has the best coverage? Can never find anything in this mess. If only I had a brush that was all in one and had everything I needed, and a makeup palette that had everything in it from soup to nuts. The wonderful ladies at Woosh Beauty sent me their product called Fold Out Face. The Fold Out Face has everything you need to do a full look, and it even includes this secret 4-in-1 pull apart and put back together brush. It has an end for your blush, an end for your contour. Then you open it up and it has everything you need to do your eyes. This is genius. First you start with the eyes, including a base for lids, define for contouring, line, which I wet my brush a little bit first, and then shine for the inner corners, brow bone, center of the lid, whatever you want to use it for. I loved how they blended and looked with my skin tone. Then there's the perfector section, which is to conceal spots or circles. You can use the two colors together as a foundation like I did here. I took the light shade to cover a brown spot that I have. Next is the contour section. Don't be scared. You can use a light shade to make your nose look slightly smaller like I did here, because our noses get bigger as we age. Why? I don't know. Or you can use the dark color to make your cheekbones stand out. And finally, there is the blush and blenders section. I used the pink shade today and the highlighter on my upper cheekbone. Then I used the blender powder to set the look and get rid of some of my shine. And that's it. This kit is great if you are a mom or a boss babe on the go, and when we get to start traveling again, you will want to get this. It comes in 6 shade options. It's cruelty, paraben, sulfate, and gluten-free. The quality of the makeup and the brushes are also very good. And the first thing you see when you open up this kit is the brand's mission statement, which is wonderful. They also sent me their dual brush kit, so each brush has a dual purpose. There's one for blush and blend, there's one for contour, there's a perfector brush, and one for the eyes. These brushes take the guesswork out of what to use and save space. Woosh Beauty is offering my subscribers and my followers 20% off. I will include a unique link in the description box below with the coupon code. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Woosh Beauty did not sponsor me. They just sent me the kit to review for you. Let me know in the comments below. Are you thinking about buying this kit? Do you have it? Do you have any other Woosh Beauty products you would like to tell me about? Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.